Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage, ladies and gentlemen. This is, I believe, part 3 of Crown Victoria LX Sport Resurrection. And in this video, I will be applying ceramic coating on the car. I did the paint correction on the entire car last time. And as you can see, I am in a different warehouse. And this warehouse is the Goodfellas Automotive official headquarters, and the warehouse that you're used to seeing, the large one, is next door. It's literally like a couple of stores down. That one we share with the Prime One Motorsports, so we park all our cars over there. But what happened today is I got here early in the morning, and Florida, we entered hurricane season, so I washed the car in preparation for ceramic coating, and it started raining. So if I drive this car across the street to the other warehouse, it's going to get dirty. It kind of defeats the purpose of me doing all this work. So this is a small warehouse, only fits a couple of cars, but I also got some other parts. This is actually the main office, but we'll do a tour later, and my Crown Vic is sitting outside in the rain. But I got some other parts I'm going to change today. We got the transmission filter here. We're not going to do that today. We got the fuel filter, air filter. We got some door strikers, original door strikers. I got an engine cover. I got bolts for the engine cover. Ceramic coating. This is Armor Shield 4. I got a little bit left from the last time. I got the new one here. I applied this to my car, and it's a decent product. It's not the best out there. It's not the worst. I like it because it's easy to apply and easy to remove. It's not one of those ceramic coatings like some of them, like, oh, you have 0.5 seconds to remove it, otherwise it hardens and you need like a sandpaper to get it off. So this product is, DIY friendly. I also got the trim pieces, as you can see here, for the side trim. And unfortunately, as you can see, these are painted, some of them a different color, and this one is brand new. Ford is on back order on all of this trim except one piece, okay? And back order with Ford means God knows when it's going to be available. So I found really good condition used trim. It has to be painted, but the set that I found was missing this one piece, which is right rear door, and Ford had one in stock. That's it. So I have to find a good body shop that can actually paint this, because finding a good body shop is just like finding a good mechanic. They pretty much don't exist. So I have to shop around and see if I can find somebody. I used to have a good body shop, but they closed down years ago. I used to have a good mechanic, and unfortunately, he passed away a couple of years ago. Was a good friend of mine. Let's do ceramic coating on the car first, okay? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so the entire car is done. This took half a day. I don't know if the results are going to be apparent on camera, and the lighting here is complete garbage, so but there is a dramatic difference in shine, and there is a dramatic difference in the pearl. There's a metallic pearl in this paint job and it really pops. Again, I don't think it's going to capture on camera. This is going to be apparent under the sun. So what I will do is I'll let it sit here for a couple of days. I'll let it cure. Then I'll wash it, and then I'll show it to you under the sun. It's going to look really, really nice. But I mean, I don't know. You can see some angles. It's really really nice. I mean, I basically brought back a 20-year-old paint job the best I could. So I'm going to change the door strikers now. I already changed the driver's side a couple days ago. I had a spare one, but I was waiting for it to deliver, so I'm going to do that right now. Alrighty, ladies and gents, replaced all the door strikers, so all the doors now close and open like a Rolls-Royce. Nice and very little effort. So these are OEM door strikers. Don't buy aftermarket garbage. See? The only thing that wears out in these door strikers is this plastic sleeve. And there's some companies like Dorman, they sell aftermarket ones, they never work right. Never. Never, ever, ever do they work right. So, all right, so that's your door strikers. Let's change the air filter. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the air filter has been replaced. I have still to replace the fuel filter, but I'm gonna save it for later. It's been already half a day I spent on this car, and I don't really feel like coaling underneath and getting covered in gasoline. Replaced the air filter. I'm actually happy to report that this was a OEM Motorcraft filter that was in there. We changed all the door strikers, ceramic coated the car. It looks pretty good, and we're gonna do some major work in the next video because this car is still not done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.